Let me just put my name without the title.
Yeah, because we want what is on the certificate.
Took over the secretariat.
Entirely. This afternoon.
So on behalf of the national chairman of the party, I can confirm that your payment is duly received, both the 10 million for the expression of interest form and the 40 million for the nomination form. But again, to put on record that you are the first aspirant. I wanted to use that on our behalf to present the aspirant checklist for submission of the nomination form, giving you a background as a professor of law and a member of parliament. I know you keep religiously to this.
Thank you.
And then, of course, the expression of interest form, presenting sent to you. The nomination, which you duly paid for.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. First, let me congratulate you for having this special place for yourselves, because the last time I stood before the press corps of the APC National Secretariat, it was at a different venue. I can see that you have a dedicated venue to yourselves. So I say congratulations. You will recall that last Friday, the 19th of January, the National Publicity Secretary of the All Progressives Congress, Felix Moka, Esquire, issued a press statement to the effect that all interested aspirants for the Edo Governorship election 2024 are free to come and collect their forms. Pursuant to that statement, I have come here today to pick up the expression of interest and nomination forms. And I can very proudly display them for you to see. For many of us, this coming election is a must win, capital letters, must win for Edo State APC. No impediment, no matter how contrived and from whatever source, can stop our great party APC from reclaiming Edo in 2024. The mistakes which made APC to lose the state to PDP in 2020 must not be allowed to afflict us a second time. For APC as a party, Edo State is a low-hanging fruit. We must not lose this opportunity to reclaim it with me as candidate. My popularity and acceptability spread across the 3 senatorial districts of Edo State and even beyond APC. I know that my supporters, well-wishers, and all people of goodwill across Edo State and beyond will be elated and relieved to see me here at the APC National Secretariat to collect these forms. So many of them will be very pleased to see me collecting forms, contrary to certain insinuations from certain quarters that you know very well. Edo people are yearning for good governance. They want to see Edo State resources being used to develop the state and transform the lives of the people for the better. They are waiting to give me a resounding victory in the September 21st governorship election. They remember very well my excellent performance as governor for 17 and a half months from 2007 to 2008, and they want to see me back in Osadebe Avenue as governor. Hence, I have christened my manifesto, The Rebirth of Edo for excellence. Now we have taken the first step. We will not look back. Rather, we are looking forward to the direct primaries promised us by the leadership of the party. I am confident, and you just heard the Deputy National Organizing Secretary assuring that the party will do what is right and will conduct a very free, fair, and credible primaries, free from any flaws that anybody may want to introduce into the process. So with that assurance, I'm very confident that the party will conduct proper primaries devoid of undue influence and manipulations. By the grace of God, our victory is sure. God bless Edo State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I thank you all. God is my supporter. And I also want you to be one of my human supporters that I can count. So that is the same reply we give to you. God is my supporter. What's your name?
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.